Morning, everyone. It's Grant Headley from Bridgetown. Doing my little morning routine before a long weekend of riding to make sure that I don't get overtrained and hurt. So, starting out with a few little basics here. You know, it's funny, these simple exercises, they have a lot of good research behind their effectiveness for reducing knee pain. So, um, if this is something that you've done before, great. Now make sure that you're actually doing it. So these are laying down on your side leg lifts. We call them sideline leg lifts in the business. And just make sure that you are really stacking your top side on top of your bottom side, and keep your toes active. And I would recommend doing maybe 10 each side, just until you feel a change in the muscle. All right, this next one, side planks on the knees. And again, another simple exercise. Every time I look in the research to make sure what's the latest and greatest, this is still it. So little side planks. And if you are doing this and you're not feeling anything, then you can progress to the variation where your feet are stacked. But early in the morning, I like to just stick with this one. Gets all the muscles on the downside of the body, but especially the lateral glutes, some oblique work maybe. And the purpose of these is when we're biking and running, that those muscles in our hips are controlling for our knee position. So when we land or when we push down the pedal, that our knees aren't dropping in and causing a problem. All right, this next one, so you got to get one of these little rubber bands from us. It's awesome. Or you can look at Perform Better bands. And what I'm doing here is pretending like I'm a letter A tipping side to side. And this doesn't look like much, but I dare you to try it. After about 30 seconds, you might feel something. After about 90 seconds, you're definitely going to feel something. Now, you don't want to just kick your leg out to the side. You really want to keep your whole body pretty still and just tipping side to side.
Mark, good morning.
I always do these videos in the morning when people are walking by, so. Oh, yep, you're going to feel it there. So then this next one is, this is one of my, what I got from some yoga teachers, especially Jules Mitchell out of Los Angeles. She likes to use blocks to teach proper alignment. So you squeeze that block and you do a couple squats. And that's bad form. You don't want your knees dropping in when you squat or run or bike. You want those knees to stay apart. So it's going to teach us how to keep some good activation for the lateral and medial muscles that keep our knees tracking straight ahead. And more power to the road, more power to the pedals. And just good old squats with good alignment. It's all about the quality. So, again, with the rubber band, this one, the research has good evidence behind it, and our own personal research of what our body is feeling shows that this one is effective too. So you get into a little semi-squat position. That's important according to the research. And then you shuffle side to side. And you don't try to really kick as far out as you can, because what we're finding is that it's the standing leg that's getting the benefit. It's the standing leg that has to stabilize, just like when we're running. All right, this last one is one of my favorite stretches for the IT band, and really what it's winding up all the tension in our torsion muscles. So we're stretching the left leg now. You bend your right knee as much as you can. Your right fingertips are touching the ground. Your left hand is reaching up, and then see if you can look up towards your hand. I got a little lazy with my neck there. And then come down into a little squat, see how that feels, and very simply switch sides. I'm just turning around here so you can see the stretching leg. So again, the left knee bends. We're stretching the right lateral side of the body. So we're twisting towards the right, reaching up towards the sky. And breathe. And you bend that left knee as much as you need to until the hand can reach the ground. Little fold. And that's a good little routine for taking care of your knees and hips, keeping you injury-free from running. So let us know if you have questions or if you want to work on this stuff further for yourself, for your own goals. Take care. Bye.